Car engines involve many moving parts that run on internal combustion. It isn't uncommon to find your engine making different noises. Most parts make their unique noises. But when you hear a rattling noise when starting a car, it's usually a sign of a problem with the engine. Sometimes these problems might be easy to fix and less costly, other times, they might be more significant. This video covers the various causes of rattling noise when starting a car. Rattling noise when starting a car. As we previously stated, there are several reasons why there's a rattling noise when starting the car. The following are the reasons why there's a rattling noise when starting a vehicle. Number 1. Loose engine heat shield. The loose heat shield is one of the most common reasons rattling noises occur when starting a car. This component is made from various materials, such as aluminum foils and sheets, which can rust easily and cause screws to become loose. Number 2. Failing motor mounts. If the motor mounts fail, it could lead to a rattling noise when starting your car. But, on the other hand, it could also be a sign that something is wrong with the system. Usually, these mounts are molded with rubber to prevent damage and vibrations. These components protect the engine from getting damaged or touched by other metal parts. Number 3. Bad catalytic converter. A missing or poorly fitted catalytic converter could cause it to make a rattling noise. This component is usually made from ceramic-like materials and can get damaged. Number 4. Low oil level. Another common reason for car rattling is your vehicle's low oil level. Although most drivers don't realize it, low oil levels can cause engine parts to resonate. It's essential to regularly check the oil level to ensure it's filled. Number 5. Bent pistons or timing chains. Another common cause of car rattling is the damage or loosening of the clutch or transmission. This could cause vibrations that can affect the interior of the vehicle. Having a mechanic diagnose the issue is also essential to ensure the problem is fixed. Number 6. Broken serpentine belt. The serpentine belt powers the car parts like the air conditioner, water pumps, and steering pumps. If broken, it can cause some rattling sounds. Number 7. Damaged spark plugs. Spark plugs are essential engine components that ignite the fuel and air mixture, which in turn powers the engine. When your spark plugs are corroded, it causes some knocking or rattling sounds. Why does my car make a rattling noise on cold start? A cold start happens when you try to turn on a car's ignition after leaving your car outside throughout the night. This usually happens when temperatures go below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. When you crank your engine in a cold start, it causes damage to the variable valve actuator. How to fix a rattling noise on cold start. Cold start is technically bad for your engine as it puts strain on the battery and starter. Regular maintenance of your car, especially regular oil changes, can decrease the likelihood of damage to your actuator. Do cars rattle more when started in the cold? Cold starting an engine can cause various damages to the oil and other fluids. It also wears out the starter and limits battery life. It also depends on the newness of the car and the temperature of the region. Older cars, due to dirt and old grease that clog the engine, will be affected more by cold start and rattle more compared to new vehicles. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.